Lily was a little girl, afraid of the big wide world. She grew up within her castle walls. Now and then she tried to run, and then on a night with the setting sun, she went in the woods away, so afraid, all alone. And they warned her, don't go there, there's creatures who are hiding in the dark. Then something came creeping, it told her, don't you worry, girl. Everywhere I go, someone around just let me go. Give you everything you've been dreaming of, just let me in. Everything you want to gonna be the magic story. I've been told that you'll be safe under my control, just let me in. Just let me in. She knew she was hypnotized and walking on cold thin